February. And like all the shit that I was holding in there is oh fuck. Oh my god. Holy shit. Trying to keep my eyes open because I am driving, but I'm actually pretty used to this, so I'm safe. Oh my god, what the fuck? Jesus. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, need a tissue now. Cool. What the fuck? Oh. This is This is the strongest they've been since this started. If it keeps up, I'm gonna have to pull over, honestly. But we're not even done yet. I don't think. No, we're not done. I'm gonna sneeze again. Shit.